What's up, guys? Today, guys, this is my server, guys. If you want to join, guys, here's it, guys. You know we can do my server gonna do online all day on night, guys. So guys, I'm gonna join in my server now, guys. It's loading up, loading server. Loading range, whatever, guys. Here's the server, guys. I was building a stadium. You can see my work, guys. My friend helped me build them, guys. In the outside, all the work I just help. You want to join me, guys? Today, guys, join me anytime you can. Cause my video gonna get my whatever server gonna get online all day and all night. So later, guys, in the morrows I record this in the night, so later gonna put it on YouTube now.